Tejas Mark 1A versus JF-17 Block 3. भाई JF-17 Block 1 भी तुम्हारे तेजस Mark 3 से भी बेहतर होने वाला है, ठीक है ना? This is a Babus cannot manufacture planes. We're all Babus. Babus cannot manufacture planes. बाबू एक इंडस्ट्री को भी प्रॉफिटेबल नहीं बना पा रहे. प्लेन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग तो बहुत दूर की बात है भाई. JF-17 has been, I know the guy who is in charge of integration. I'm not going to name him in Pakistan because he taught me more about the Indian Air Force than any Indian Air Force person taught me about the Indian Air Force. And it tells you the level of knowledge the Pakistanis have. They play to they know their weaknesses. We don't know our weaknesses. We live in dreams. The JF-17 is a fantastic plane. Don't go by the freak accident of a MiG-21 being able to shoot it down. Remember, the Americans in Serbia lost the F-117 stealth fighter. Freaks happen. Okay, freaks happen. Don't judge a plane by the freaks. Judge it by the consistency. It's a very good plane. It's already had export success. अजरबैजान खरीद रहा है, इजिप्ट खरीद रहा है, क्या बर्मा भी खरीद रहा है ना? बर्मा है या बांग्लादेश या श्रीलंका भी खरीद रहा है.
We, the Black Panthers, number 16 multi-role squadron, for the very first time in the history of Royal International Air Tattoo, present to you the pride of Pakistan, the JF-17 Thunder.